A criminal court in Norway is about to begin a trial unlike any other. 38 criminal charges. 7 weeks in court. No special treatment. This is not a story about power itself. It is a story about proximity to it. The defendant is Marius Borg Høiby. His name carries weight far beyond the courtroom, not because of authority, but because he is part of the royal family. He is the son of Norway's crown princess, and the stepson of Norway's next king. And yet, this case will not be handled behind closed doors. The indictment contains 38 separate criminal counts. They span a wide range of alleged offences, including sexual assault, violence, threats, violations of restraining orders, speeding, improper conduct, and harassment of public officials, as well as transport of approximately 3.5 kilograms of cannabis. The defendant has admitted to the drug charge, but denies the more serious allegations. For the most severe charges, the maximum sentence can reach 10 years in prison. Under Norwegian law, sentencing is based primarily on the most serious offence. However, when multiple serious crimes are involved, the court may impose an increased sentence, in this case, up to 16 years. This trial will determine how that principle applies here. The proceedings are scheduled to last 7 weeks. Not days. Not a brief hearing. The trial will take place in courtroom 250, the largest courtroom in the building. The proceedings are open to the public. A limited number of seats are available, on a first-come, first-served basis. Media from around the world will be present. 7 weeks of testimony, evidence, and cross-examination in open court. In the days leading up to the trial, the defendant was once again remanded in custody, accused of breaching a restraining order and threats. The charges have continued to evolve over time, with new allegations added, as the investigation progressed. The case is ongoing. The outcome is not predetermined. Under Norwegian law, the presumption of innocence applies. No members of the royal family will attend the trial. Earlier this week, Crown Prince Haakon confirmed that neither he nor the Crown Princess would be present in court. He also stated that the family would not comment on the proceedings. The Crown Princess, the defendant's mother, has chosen to leave the country on a private trip during the trial period. The court remains. The proceedings continue without them. Historically, allegations involving royal families have often been met with silence, settlements, or institutional protection. What makes this case different is that it is being tested openly, in a criminal court, under ordinary legal standards. In many countries, cases involving royalty never reach this stage. The case will be heard by a professional judge and 2 lay judges, randomly appointed from the public, 1 woman and 1 man. Ordinary citizens. In Norway, defendants are judged by their peers. No special treatment. No closed system. No protection. This case is still unfolding. Testimony has yet to be heard. Evidence has to be weighed. Judgment will be delivered. When the process continues, this story may continue with it. Not because of spectacle, but because it raises a rare and uncomfortable question. What happens when royalty, serious criminal charges, and ordinary justice converge in court? This was Shadows of the North, calm, creepy stories, and true crime from the quiet places of the North. Subscribe for new stories every Wednesday and Sunday.